Today in this video I'm going to share with you about how to download Mendeley Desktop software. What is Mendeley Desktop software? Actually, it is a software which is usually used for putting references in your research paper or research thesis. Let me start how to download the Mendeley. So just visit and go to the Google and then type Mendeley Desktop and then click on the first link. When the link is opened, there will be an option to download the Mendeley Desktop for Windows. So click on this option. Add the duplicate with number file name. As I've already downloaded earlier, so that's why it prompts me to download the same file with another name. So let me select this radio button, add the duplicate and override the existing file by clicking on OK and start downloading. It will take a minute or less to download the file. After downloading, we will know that how to install it easily on your computer system. Okay, as the file has been successfully downloaded and it has been placed on my desktop, so I just click on Word. Now here is a next button. Click on the next to process the installation of Mendeley Desktop software. Click on I agree and then select the destination folder if you want to change it. Otherwise, I have already by default there is a location on C, program files and Mendeley Desktop. So click on the next button and click next, and now it will install. So let us wait for the installation process. As soon as it completes, then we will click on the Mendeley Desktop icon to know how to use it. So it has been already installed. I have already installed it and saved papers in the database of Mendeley Desktop. But let me start from the very beginning. Let me just sign out from the Mendeley Desktop and then I will show you how to sign in and how to create ID in Mendeley Desktop software. So let me just log out from the Mandalay software, and then when I click on the Mandalay, it will prompt me to sign in, and at that time I will tell you how to create a login ID. I just sign out from the Mendeley Desktop. So here it requires to put your email and password, but rather I'm going to enter my email and password. I'm going to tell you how to register in Mendeley Desktop software. So just click on the register button and now you will find options. As I've already logged in to the Mendeley Desktop, so let me just log out from the Mendeley Desktop database, and now there will be an option to create an ID for Mendeley Desktop software, and here we go. Create create account. Just click on the create account, click on the sign in with a different account, like I click on continue, and now it will prompt you to make registration. Just put your given name, put your family name, put the password, and then this register button will be automatically activated, and then you click on the register button. So then you have done. And then always remember this email ID and this password to log in, to sign in to the Mendeley Desktop software. So just let me shut down all these tabs, and we simply go to the welcome to Mandalay interface, and that is the very first screen which will appear after clicking on the Mendeley Desktop button. So just provide your email that you have already used in your registration process. Like I have this email ID, and now I put the password that I have already registered in the elsewhere account, and I just click on the sign in button. But always keep in mind to check the stage sign in. It will not irritate you to put your email and password again and again. So no, click on the sign in button. Now it will prompt me some kinds of very important information, like the first one is reference manager and the second one is citation plugin for Microsoft Word. These two kinds of plugins must be installed in Mendeley software in order to use it easily and effectively. If you are not going to install the reference manager and the citation plugin for Microsoft Word, the Mendeley Desktop will not work properly, because these are the two plugins through which we use the Mendeley Desktop software for referencing purposes. So you must assure that these two plugins, reference manager and citation plugin for Microsoft Word, must be installed on your Mendeley Desktop. So let me tell you that from where you may find these two plugins for installation. Go to the tool menu and then select the install web importer. When I click on the install web importer, it will simply take me to the Play Store, and from there you will click on the web importer for Mendeley. I think if it is already installed on my computer, then just leave it and you just click on the download button. Get the web importer for Chrome, click on it, and now you will have the option to install it or either to remove it from the Google Chrome. I have already installed it, that's why it prompts me and it shows me remove from Google Chrome. But you must click over here if you find the option of install for Chrome. The second plugin that we must install for the smooth working of Mendeley Desktop, that is the MS Word plugin. As I have already installed it, so it just shows me uninstall MS Word plugin, and you may easily find it in the reference manager in the reference menu in the Microsoft Word. Just find it over here, click on the reference button, and you will find the Mendeley option, insert citation and the open Mendeley option. So these are the proofs and evidences that the plugin has already been installed on your Microsoft Word. So this was all about how to download the Mendeley Desktop and how to install it, and how to install the different kinds of plugins, like the plugin for Microsoft Word and the plugin for the web importer. It has already been installed on my computer. Okay, thank you.